Good morning. Temperatures out there in the 60s to start this Tuesday. Low humidity continues to stick around, so we're going to see plenty of sun, but that temperature is going to climb quick. Near 90 this afternoon. Yesterday's high, 91, 92 for many of you. The warmest day of the year so far around the Bay Area. 85 at the beaches. Water temperatures in the upper 70s. Mostly sunny skies with a northeast wind at about 5 to 15 miles an hour. Out on the water today, northeast winds also 5 to 15. 2-foot seas with a moderate chop. UV index of 10. And your low tide comes in very early in the morning. High tide later on in the evening, 6:45. Your sunrise. Take a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. Temperature starting off in those 60s to near 70. Mid-80s for lunchtime. Plenty of sunny skies, and the sun continues to bake us by the afternoon, near 90 for your afternoon highs. Florida's most accurate 7-day forecast. Mid-80s on Saturday and Sunday. Still watching for the potential for rain for Mother's Day weekend. Until we get there, temperatures near 90 for Thursday and Friday.